Hello, my name is Fatih Bora Keskin. I am the CEO of the Molkim Endüstriyel Products and Machinery. And this is one application that we did with JAKA. We are certified partner of the JAKA for Turkish market. These are the ultrasonic cleaners. We wanted to simulate operator working in the ultrasonic tanks. Actually, this is just demonstration. We replace just two, but it can be multiplied up to 7 to 9 as long as the operation dimension. This is the idea is normally for clinic lines, the operator will do carrying on the basket from one side to others by hand, and this is costly, and you cannot know the exactly how to do it. So we have to make it for operational way and for quality aspect with the robot, and it can also do like different liquid, and it will transfer this to another basket. So this application is suitable for medical user, jewelry, for small basket size. Of course, we have different size of the JAKA robot, so we can make it bigger, up to 20 kilogram, because JAKA has a JAKA Zu30, so it can carry up to 20. So it's very convenient to use and reliable. So 7 days, 24 hours it can work. The idea is feeding with the conveyor basket. Basket will take it by robot each step by step and doing the like oscillation features without additional machinery. So it's very good for the users. Thank you.